Welcome to Basic Technology for JSS 3. Today we study the environmental impact of technology, how technology affects our natural environment, both positively and negatively. Technology and the environment. Technology has transformed human life. We live longer, healthier, more comfortable lives because of it. However, technology also has significant negative impacts on the environment, the natural world of air, water, land, and living organisms. It is important to understand these impacts so that we can use technology responsibly and work towards sustainable development, meeting our needs today without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. Negative environmental impacts of technology. 1. Air pollution. Burning fossil fuels in power stations, factories, vehicles, releases CO2, carbon dioxide, climate change. Sulfur dioxide, SO2, acid rain, damages forests, corrodes buildings, acidifies lakes. Nitrogen oxides, NO, smog and acid rain. Particulates, tiny solid particles, respiratory diseases, asthma, lung damage. Carbon monoxide, CO, toxic gas. 2. Water pollution. Industrial effluent, factories discharge untreated chemicals, heavy metals, and dyes into rivers kills aquatic life. Oil spills, pipeline leaks and tanker accidents contaminate rivers and seas, major problem in the Niger Delta. Agricultural runoff, fertilizers and pesticides wash into water bodies, eutrophication, algal bloom that depletes oxygen in water, killing fish. Plastic waste, plastic does not biodegrade, pollutes oceans and rivers, harms wildlife. 3. Land/soil pollution. Solid waste/landfill, technology produces enormous amounts of waste, packaging, discarded products. E-waste, electronic waste, discarded phones, computers, and TVs contain toxic materials, lead, mercury, cadmium, that leach into soil. Mining, excavation disturbs land and produces toxic waste. 4. Deforestation. Clearing forests for agriculture, timber, mining, and construction. Loss of biodiversity, species extinction. Increases CO2 in atmosphere, trees absorb CO2. Causes soil erosion, tree roots hold soil. 5. Climate change, enhanced by technology. Burning fossil fuels increased CO2 enhanced greenhouse effect, global warming, extreme weather, rising sea levels, melting ice caps. 6. Noise pollution. Machinery, vehicles, aircraft, and construction produce harmful levels of noise, hearing damage, stress, sleep disturbance. 7. Light pollution. Excessive artificial lighting at night disturbs nocturnal animals, disrupts human sleep cycles. Positive environmental impacts of technology. Renewable energy technology, solar panels, wind turbines, and hydroelectric dams generate electricity without burning fossil fuels, reduce CO2 emissions. Electric vehicles, reduce air pollution in cities. Water treatment technology, cleans wastewater before it is discharged into rivers. Recycling technology, reduces waste and conserves raw materials. Precision agriculture, uses technology, sensors, drones, GPS, to apply fertilizer and pesticides exactly where needed, reduces runoff. Environmental monitoring, satellites and sensors monitor deforestation, pollution, and climate change. Solutions, sustainable technology. Green technology, design products and processes that minimize environmental harm. Reduce, reuse, recycle, the 3 rupees. End-of life design, design products to be easily repaired, recycled, or safely disposed of. Pollution controls, filters, scrubbers, and treatment plants. Environmental regulations, government setting limits on emissions and pollution. Education and awareness, teaching people to use technology responsibly. Remember, technology has transformed human life. We live longer plus healthier plus more comfortable. but also has significant negative impacts on the environment, air plus water plus land plus living organisms. Sustainable development equals meeting our needs today without compromising ability of future generations to meet theirs. Negative impacts: air pollution, burning fossil fuels releases CO2, climate change. Plus SO2, acid rain, damages forests plus corrodes buildings plus acidifies lakes. Plus no, smog plus acid rain. Plus particulates, tiny solid particles respiratory diseases, asthma plus lung damage. Plus toxic gas. Water pollution, industrial effluent, factories discharge untreated chemicals plus heavy metals plus dyes into rivers kills aquatic life. Plus oil spills, pipeline leaks plus tanker accidents, major problem in Niger Delta. Plus agricultural runoff, fertilizers plus pesticides eutrophication, algal bloom that depletes oxygen in water kills fish. Plus plastic waste, does not biodegrade, pollutes oceans plus rivers, harms wildlife. Land/soil pollution, solid waste/landfill, technology produces enormous amounts of waste, packaging plus discarded products. Plus e-waste/electronic waste, discarded phones plus computers plus TVs, contain toxic materials equals lead plus mercury plus cadmium, leach into soil. Plus mining, excavation disturbs land plus produces toxic waste. Deforestation, clearing forest for agriculture plus timber plus mining plus construction, loss of biodiversity, species extinction. Plus increases CO2, trees absorb CO2. Plus causes soil erosion, tree roots hold soil. Noise pollution, machinery plus vehicles plus aircraft plus construction, hearing damage plus stress plus sleep disturbance. Positive impacts, renewable energy technology, solar panels plus wind turbines plus hydro dams, generate electricity without burning fossil fuels, reduce CO2. Plus electric vehicles, reduce air pollution in cities. Plus water treatment, cleans wastewater before discharge into rivers. Plus recycling, reduces waste plus conserves raw materials. Plus precision agriculture, sensors plus drones plus GPS, apply fertilizer plus pesticides exactly where needed, reduces runoff. Plus environmental monitoring, satellites plus sensors monitor deforestation plus pollution plus climate change. Solutions, green technology, design products plus processes that minimize environmental harm. Plus 3RS equals reduce plus reuse plus recycle plus end-of life design, design products to be easily repaired plus recycled or safely disposed. Plus pollution controls, filters plus scrubbers plus treatment plants. Plus environmental regulations, government setting limits on emissions plus pollution. Plus education plus awareness. Thank you for studying basic technology with us today.